Tasha, yeah, and Hine and Jenny, Ivana, to happy birthday to you, son. Today is your birthday. I remember today is your 30 years old. And also, Senil, I remember the time when I was looking for mom and I didn't know mom is going to the hospital by herself. And I found out she's going to the hospital. She drive herself to the hospital, and it's good to have you. And I was rushing the hospital. When I get there, Neil, you're already out from mom's stomach. And I just thanks for mom for that. She didn't wait for me or anybody else. She just grabbed the car and go to the hospital in Blacktown. So now, from that day up to now, it's 30 years old. It's a lot of years God gave it to you, Neil. As you know, in our family, we are church people. Our families, we have our faith in God. So the most important for me here and mom here, just to continue that, Neil, even you know you've been away because you want to be away from our family because your talent's football. Yeah, don't forget that. Is go to the church, go to the mass, and stick in the way we start from this family. We're happy, we're here, we're happy to support you for what you want. Now you got your family, you got your whānau and the kids. It's more even make me, dad, happy, and mom here to support you. Doesn't matter for us. What's matter for dad is keep going the way we start. Yeah. So whamunganga mo oe, say Neil. So, and it's a little story about you. Michael born in the 4th of October in 1991, and Tasha born on the 4th of October. It's a little story for you, Senil. Is Michael born in 1993. Sorry, start again, Mike. It's a little story for you, Neil. Your oldest brother, Mike, born in the 4th of September, 1993. Sorry, wrong again. One more. It's a little story for you. Sorry, one more. It's a little story for you, Neil. Your oldest brother, Mike, born in 1991, the 4th of September. And then your sister, Dasha, born in 1992 on the 4th of September. And you born in 1993 on the 26th of August. You missed 9 days. If I only mom hold for that 9 days, so you and your brother and your sister have the same birthday. But never mind, it was the time you come in this world. There's a time God give it to you to come in this world. And then we appreciate for all the effort you show on the TV, you show to us, your career and your football. We support you 100%. And God bless you and whānau and the kids. And say hello to all your friends in France. One day we will come there to meet you there. And me and mom here. Mom, you want to say some happy birthday to Neil?
Okay, Neil, I had to say this in Samoan language. Manuia tele le tolu se folu tau sanga o lo soifua, vai to sa se Neil tole foa, fa manuia fo ile atua I taleni, wa au mawai farani, fa tai fo ile atua o no taleni manga waa, wa fa manuia ai ile atua ya te oe, I lauto fa vai to sa se Neil tole foa, sanga whaopopo le atua nisi tau sanga se tele lava mo oe le atali I te fia ai I lo wolanga atoa alo fatele atu por kalame mo Samoa vi inga o le atua mo oe ia male ainga